Hi, in this video, I will show the question 1 of Java Programming's midterm. Question 1. There are two files, student and teacher, which store student records and teacher records respectively. And let's see. We have student and teacher two files, and the content is the same as the these two forms. And let's go on. My Java program should do the following things. First, define the class student and class teacher, which are inherited from the base class people. So we have student.java public class student extends people. So we inherited from the base class people. So does the teacher.java class teacher extends peoples. And student.java contains name, major, GPA, and ID. Teacher class contains name, department, course number, and ID. And let's see the people.java. So at first, we declare the variable we need to use and create some function we want to use in main program, like set name, set major, set GPA, set ID, get name, get major, get ID, get GPA, and so on. So move on. The second one is scan each student record from the file and create a student object storing his or her information. So let's look at this. Our main function. At first, we knew a buffer reader to store some data in this. In here you can see we scan each student records from a file and create a student object storing their information. This. And go to third one. The third one is insert every student object into linked list CCU list. Here. We add the every student object into CCU list. The fourth one, scan each teacher records from the file and create a teacher object storing his or her information. The fourth and fifth is the same as the second and third one. So teacher, we do the same thing with students. The next one, use an iterator to dump all student and teacher records into a file called all.. We use txt, so this can do this. So we do move on. We jump to this function, write file here. Write file. In this function, it new a file called all.txt and print out you created a file. If there are some error, it will print out file create failed. After we create a file is called all.txt, we can use an iterator to dump all student and teacher records into a file in here. And the same, if there are some error, it will return. And next one is get the ID number from the user. So we go back to here and move on. Scanner input a new scanner system in. You can let user input the ID number to search the information of the student or teacher. So we input ID and move on, go to this for loop, and it will search and search the correct one, it will print out. So this is the last one. So we run this program to show you created a file called all.txt. There have all data in this file, and I can search for both ID 9201, enter. Just a minute. So we can see that all the information of both is shown up. So we successful of question 1.